Welcome to Beast Ride DIY. I want to show you some slick deals, and these are only good through today. I apologize, but I wanted to get these out really quick. This is M18 volt lithium ion high output 6 amp hour batteries. It's a 6-pack for $359. This is 57% off. You're saving $478 on this. This is at Home Depot. 50% more runtime, more power to replace the 15 amp corded tools, and apparently it runs 50% cooler. And it's part of their M18 system with over 250 tools. Now from Milwaukee, this is the Shockwave Impact Duty Alloy Steel Screwdriver bit set. It's a 45-piece set. You're saving 42% on this one. And this ends in 10 hours, 54 minutes. This is a 360-degree radius on this. So that's up until about 2 a.m. East Coast time in the United States. About 4.8 stars on this one. It's a 45-piece set. It has the right angle attachment as well as all the drill bit sets here. And I do apologize again on getting this out kind of late, but I saw these on Slick Deals and I just really wanted to bring them out to you. Of course, that one's a good deal. And next up from Lowe's, this is a Cobalt 1/4 inch 150 PSI air inflator gun. This is over half off. It's $9.98. And this is good through today as well. I think on these you can actually buy them online as well as in store, and that way you can actually shop up until the 2 a.m. deadline, or until the day's over technically. So next up, this is from Ryobi. This is the OnePlus 18 volt cordless 3-tool campers kit with area light, Bluetooth speaker, 4-inch clamp fan, and 1.5 amp hour battery and charger. This is $64.97. You're saving 51% on this one. It was $133. You're getting everything pictured here, and this works with all of their 300 OnePlus products. You're getting the battery as well as the charger on this one. Next is this Bosch 12 volt max cordless power drill driver kit with a 5-in-1 flexi-click system multi-head drill driver set. This comes with two 2 amp hour batteries and the whole kit here. It's $99. That's 55% off. It was $219. Now this one is good through, it says free delivery March 1st through 25th. I don't know how long this one is good through to though. It doesn't say until just today though. That's the only one I think. Now this is from Rigid. This is the 18 volt cordless 3-tool lighting combo kit with magnetic light, 360-degree area light, and spotlight. This is the tool only for $129. You're gonna be saving 57% on this. It was $168. I'm sorry, it was $297. You're saving $168. So this is really nice because with Rigid, again, you're getting that lifetime warranty when you register the products, and this is one of those folding lights. I think this one's 900 lumens. This is good through about 2 a.m. today as well. And they're saying as a whole kit itself, this delivers 3,200 lumens and free parts and service also. Now from Milwaukee, you've got this M18 18 volt lithium ion cordless compact vacuum. It comes with a 5 amp hour battery and charger. This is 53% off. You're saving $169. The original price was $318. This is going to deliver 2 times more life than the standard lithium as far as the battery. It includes the compact vacuum, 2 hoses, extensions, HEPA filter, and more here. This is a roundabout view of the, or 360 view of the battery and charger, and then here is one of the vacuum itself. So again, $149. This one is good through today, technically a little bit up until upper 2 a.m. I mean. So thanks so much for checking this video out, guys, and leave a like and comment on the video if you find anything of this helpful.